Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are going to open up 2 blaster boxes of Upper Deck 2021 Goodwin Champions. I personally don't like these cards, but my boss thinks they're kind of neat, so he bought 2 to open up for the channel, and who knows, maybe we'll get lucky and pull an autograph or some kind of weird, neat, unique memorabilia card or something. But I've watched a few videos, and everything I've watched, nobody's really pulled anything out of these boxes, so I'm guessing the odds are super against you and pulling anything good, but we'll see. Go ahead and cut open both of these. Of course, as you see, Upper Deck does not have the licensing rights for basketball, so the Jordan, LeBron, all the basketball players you're going to get in here are not going to be in NBA uniforms, or they won't have any logos, they won't show any team names or anything like that. There's one exclusive pack which does not stand out from any of the other ones. So it's going to be a mystery. Oh wait, maybe I missed it because there is one in here. Oh, maybe, yeah, there's a silver one. So let me check that other box again. Oh, no, we got shorted the mystery pack. Huh. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, they shorted us the mystery pack. Nice. Way to go, Upper Deck. Mix these up. Save that mystery pack for last. So as you can see, there's golf, cycling, basketball, baseball, football, all kinds of sports. Lexi Thompson, Darius Garland, the Green, Matthew Wolf. It's not numbered, so we'll put that over here. Snowboarding card, Red Gerard and Jonathan Kuminga. Tiger Woods, Carlos Colmenares, baseball, so he must be a prospect. Kuminga, Michaela Schifrin, skiing. Carlos Allison, European player, I'm assuming. Molly McGrath, media personality, okay. Adrian Wojnarowski, he does a lot of NBA coverage. I butchered that last name, I'm pretty sure. Sarah Winter, she's a model, but what is she holding? It looks like a putter. Sahith Thigala, golf. And beach volleyball, Melissa Humana Paredes. These packs are a little difficult to open. Teofimo Lopez. Another Teofimo Lopez. A snake for rank 8 of spades game card. I have no idea what that is. LeBron James and Nate Robinson. Gabby Butler, cheerleader. For what team? College. Another Tiger Woods. This is a little different. Wayne Gretzky. This is a Gaudi. But it's really just a plain card. Coco Gauff. And Chloe Kim. Pete Buttigieg, I have no idea how to pronounce that last name. Politician. Jess Lockwood, rodeo rider. Another Kaminga. This one's pretty colorful. Not numbered though. There's a Jordan. And Roberto Campos. Another NJ on the back here. Probably the same card. And corner's dinged up, but oh well. Matthew Wolf, Toby Miller, Josh Giddey. It's not a very good picture. Robinson and the same Jordan. Stan Smith, Adley Rushman, Braun, Ansu Fati, and Mike Mancias, a trainer card. Interesting. All these cards on the back have dinged corners. Elliott Sloan, Adrian again. Here's another playing card. Fluffito, a 6 of spades. Campos and Jean Montero. Coco, Colin Morikawa, I don't know. Morikawa, I guess that's how it's pronounced. Sarah Pavin, Gaudi, Ben Simmons, and John Taffer, the bar rescue guy. Bryson DeChambeau, Michaela Schifrin, another Ace of Diamonds, Purple Burp, another Gretzky, and another Melissa Humana Paredes. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're going to get any kind of memorabilia or autograph out of these. I think the coolest cards we pulled are those playing cards. Jean Montero, another Matthew Wolf, Ryan Whitney, Jason Isbell, and Colin again. All right, so take a look at our one bonus pack. We got shorted the other one. I think these are like chrome or colored or something. All right, we got the trainer guy. We got this Ansu Fati soccer guy, Isaiah Todd, Jalen Green, and a chrome kind of all-world Goodwin champions, Allen Iverson, non-numbered. So there you have it. I would highly suggest that you don't buy these. I mean, this green parallel might be worth something. I haven't heard of Matthew Wolf, though. I don't know how high up in the ranking he is in golf. He secured his first PGA Tour win in 2019, so he might be relatively new to the sport, or professional anyways. And then these three playing cards, which I'm going to assume are probably the most valuable out of any of the, well, maybe the golf card. But, you know, that's it. That's what you're going to get in a nutshell out of these, unless you get super lucky and pull one of the autographs or one of those memorabilia cards. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you don't mind hitting the like button, share the video, drop a comment, and let me know if you got anything good out of these, if you bought any of these, and if you pulled anything good out of it. And please consider subscribing to the channel. It will help us out a lot. Thanks a lot. Good night.